All right guys, so the last couple of weeks I've gotten several questions, a couple from the Elite Series guys, one from an MLF guy, just asking about Yolotek, how they run their Yolotek. So today what I wanted to do is give you a few tips, just some things that may prevent some problems for you as you get down the lake. So one of the first things that you want to do when you run your Yolotek, especially in rough water, is you're going to check these screws, because these screws are going to come loose a lot. So one of the things that I do is I put just a little bit of thread lock on these screws. With that thread lock, I can still get those screws out at a later point in time. I have heard stories of guys losing these things out the back of their boat and dragging these things down the lake before they realize it. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that all these screws are good and tight. So the next thing that I'm going to do is just take a little bit of contact cleaner, okay? So I'm just going to clean that end up. That stuff dries really quickly, okay? I'll wipe up any of the excess. That stuff's actually safe on plastic, set it on the box. So then what I want to do is I want to hit it with just a little bit of dielectrical grease, okay? But this thing, it's not moving much left, right, you can't pull it out, okay? But it's seated in there good and tight. And that's one of the main things that will save you trouble with your Yolotek. Hopefully a little bit of thread lock or a little bit of dielectric grease can save you some trouble and help you always be recording.
Red shoulder. That's not bad. That's good. Okay.
Giant.